Are you having any kinds of problem on the W4free application? Well, here are some things or measures that you can try if you're having problem on the W4free application. First, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a network down in the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't face any internet issues while using the application. However, if you are facing any other kinds of trouble, you want to simply go to your settings, scroll down and tap on general. After that, you want to tap on iPhone storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the W4free application and tap on W4free app. Here you want to tap on offload app. After that, you want to reinstall the application, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data, and the next time you open the app you shouldn't face any kinds of problem with the application. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after this, you want to simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.